Hello, this is Mr. Stansbury. I'm going to take you through some of the problems on the 24-2 worksheet. Okay, this one here, solve each equation. So really what we want to do, whenever we see we've got an exponent that's a variable, we want to do log of both sides. So we do log 10 to the k equals log 65. Whenever we take the log of both sides, whatever this exponent is can come out front. So we get k log 10 equals log 65. So to get, and that's k times log 10. So to get k all by itself, we simply divide both sides by log 10. And we get k is going to equal whatever log 65 divided by log 10 is. Okay, so let's see, doing this one here, we're going to find the log button. There it is. So I'm going to do log 65 and I'm going to do equals. And then I'm going to do divide by log 10, which hopefully you recognize log 10 is just dividing by 1. Log 10 is just 1, so we get 1.8129. It says round to the nearest 10,000th. I think I changed this on our worksheet to the nearest thousandth. So 1.813, we'll call it. Okay, so there we go. Round to the nearest thousandth. Okay. 14 to the x equals 31, so we're going to log both sides. Log 14 to the x equals, log 31. All right, so now that x comes out front. X log 14 equals log 31. Divide both sides by log 14. And we're going to get at whatever x equals log 31 divided by log 14, right? So log 31 equals divide by log, not 31, good. Divided by log 14. And that gives us 1.301. Okay, and these are all pretty much the same idea, although they're going to have a few extra steps here, especially when we get to 9 and 10. This one here, same idea. Log 2 to the negative 4k equals log 11. So that means that this negative 4k comes out front, so we get negative 4k times log 2 equals log 11. So we divide both sides by log 2. And we get negative 4k over on one side, and then that's going to equal whatever log 11 divided by log 2 is. Log 11 equals, divide by log 2 equals 3.549. But our last step is we got to divide by negative 4 so that we can get that k all by itself. So what we want to do is just leave our calculator the way it was and then just say, oh, well, I want to divide by negative 4. And that gives us negative 0.865 if we round it. Negative 0.865 would be what k would have to equal. Okay. Number 7, 11 to the b minus 4 equals 26. So log 11 to the b minus 4 equals log 26. Right, so this b minus 4 comes out front. Log 11 equals log 26. Divide both sides by log 11, right? So we get that b minus 4 is going to have to equal log 26 divided by log 11. So log 26 equals divide by log 11 equals 1.3587. Add 4 to both sides, and we get that plus 4. We get that b is 5.359 if we round it off to the nearest thousandth. Okay. 19, 12 to the m minus 2 plus 3.2 equals 70. So first thing we want to do is get rid of this plus 3.2. So the opposite of positive 3.2 is negative 3.2. So we get 12 to the m minus 2 equals 70 minus 3.2. It doesn't hurt to put it in your calculator because you're going to use this number over and over again anyway. So 66.8. And now we can take the log of both sides. Log 12 to the m minus 2 equals log 66.8, right? M minus 2 comes out front, times log 12 equals log 66.8. Divide both sides by log 12. All right, so those go away, and we get m minus 2 equals whatever log 66.8 is, divided by log 12. So we already got 66.8 in the calculator, so I'm going to do log second answer equals, that's log of 66.8, and then divide by log 12. And that gives us 1.691. Right, add 2 to both sides. And we get that m has to equal 3.691. Okay. Last one here is 8.1 times 13 to the k minus 3 equals 5. First thing we want to get rid of is that 8.1. It's being multiplied over here, so to undo multiplication, we divide by 8.1, both sides. We get 13 to the k minus 3 equals whatever 5 divided by 8.1 is. 0.61728. You want to go as many digits out as you can handle. You probably want to go at least, at absolute minimum, 4. You probably want to go 5 or 6 out. Otherwise, it starts throwing off your answer when you start doing logarithms. So speaking of log, take the log of both sides. 13 to the k minus 3 equals, and we got log 0.61728. So we're going to take this and move it up here, right? This k minus 3 is going to come out front, so we've got k minus 3 log 13 equals log, and it's 0.61728. Sorry, it's kind of hard to read. You can see it down there, right? So we're going to divide both sides by log 13. So we're going to get that k minus 3 equals the log, this thing here, divided by this thing here, right? So we've got, oh wait, did we just have that one? Let's see. Yeah, that one there. I want to leave that in there. So I push enter, and it will get my answer back in there. I'm going to take the log of that, so I do log second answer, divide by log 13, and that gives me negative 0.188, negative 0.188, add 3 to both sides, and so then we just do this plus 3, and we get 2.812. K equals 2.812 for that one there. Okay? Okay, that's all we have for the 24-2 worksheet. If you have any further questions, please feel free to ask. Thanks.